This is one out of many videos that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do we send an email with an attachment of a video on Gmail using a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, and a video that we will be uploading to the email before we send. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to top right corner, click on Gmail. Now what we can do is minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Movies, now locate a video that we will be attaching to the email. There's a folder called Videos that contains a couple of videos, video.mp4. Right click, get information, and then we have the video, which is 561 kilobytes in size. We can now close this, highlight the video, right click, copy, go to the desktop, paste item, quit Finder, go all the way down to the dock. Go back to Google Chrome. Let's now compose a brand new email. Make that full screen. Let's now add the recipient, which is admin@computersciencevideos.com. Type a subject. Let's just say video. Now go within the main section of the email and say, "Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow to autofill. Let's now say, please see the attached video to this email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos." And then the name of the person that's sending the video. In this case, that's myself. We can then send the email. However, we haven't attached the video to this email. So that's one task that needs to be done before sending the email. Let's now navigate to the bottom section of the email. Attach files. Locate that video on the desktop. There we have it, video.mp4, click on open. This should now have attached to the email. Let's now click on send. View the message. We can now see that the subject is video. This was sent to the admin. Within that email, we have, "Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached video to this email. Kind regards, from Computer Science Videos." And then we have one attachment. If we click on this, couldn't preview file, there was a problem playing this video, so we would then have to save this video to our computer. Click on the video, and there we have it, that video sent to the recipient through email. So we can now quit QuickTime Player. We can also quit Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.